It's time for the letter R. I love this letter because it's the first letter of my first name. You know me as Mrs. Turlop, but my first name is Rachel. Rachel starts with an R. Also, when we go into the classroom and you have to go to the bathroom, guess what? A lot of times, first graders use this symbol. They show an R because that's their way of silently saying, I need to go to the restroom. Now, you probably have an idea of the sound that R makes. I'm going to also show you a picture to go with the letter R, what R looks like when it shows up in books, and how to make the letter R. Now, R says R. Can you make a really good R sound? Now, I know when you say my name, Rachel, you're not going to say it like that. You're going to say it like this. Rachel. Rachel. R says You can get really silly with it. But R says The picture I chose to show you is a ring. And the symbol for R as it shows up in your books, magazines, whatever you're reading, it looks like this. There's a capital R and there's a lowercase r. For a capital R, you're gonna pull down, go back up, around and in, slant down. Try it again. For a lowercase r, pull down, up, and over. I just tried doing it with my nose. Let's see if I can do it with handwriting. For a capital R, I'm gonna pull down, go back up, I'm gonna go around and in, and I'm gonna slant down, R. For a lowercase r, I'm gonna pull down, go back up, and over, R. R says Now, when Mrs. Turlop is learning Spanish, one word that came up for me is raton. And raton, I think if I remember correctly, means rat. Raton? Rat. Oh, it sounds so similar! So, when you are thinking about the letter R in Spanish or the letter R in English, as far as I know, I think it always says Maybe that's something I should look into. All right, as I keep learning, so will you. It's time for you to go practice the letter R.